Hello, second grade. This is Module 4, Lesson 21. We're going to look at place value here to practice our fluency. So I have 103 here. Can you tell me what number is in the tens place? Did you say 0? Good job. I agree with you. How about the number in the ones place in this number? Did you say 3? Excellent job. Okay, let's look at the hundreds place. What number is in the hundreds place in this number? Did you say 4? If you did, great job. How about the hundreds place for this number? Did you say 2? Excellent job. Okay, so we're going to say the number sentence for 10 ones. And I'm going to give you an example here of what they're asking for. So if they're asking for the number sentence for 10 ones, we're going to say 10 ones equals 1 10 and 0 ones. So it's kind of like a backwards way of saying the 10 way. Okay, so let's say the number sentence for 20 ones. What's the number sentence for 20 ones? Did you say 20 ones equals 2 10s, 0 ones? If you did, great job. How about for 24 ones? What's the number sentence for 24 ones? Did you say 24 ones equals 2 10s, 4 ones? If you did, great job. How about 38 ones? What's the number sentence for 38 ones? Did you say 38 ones equals 3 10s, 8 ones? Great job. And how about, 63 ones? Kind of gave you a sneak peek there. 63 ones. Did you say 63 ones equals 6 10s and 3 ones? If you did, great job. Give yourself a kiss on the brain. You're doing awesome here. Okay, here's our application problem. It says Katrina has 23 stickers and Jennifer has 9. How many more stickers does Jennifer need to have as many as Katrina? Go ahead, push pause and then push play when you're done solving. All right, let's compare answers here. I took Katrina's stickers, which were 23, and I subtracted 9 stickers, which is what Jennifer has, to see how many more she needs to have the same amount as Katrina. So, can we take 9 from 3? No, we cannot, because 9 is bigger than 3, so it just doesn't make sense for us to be able to take 9 from 3. So the 2 is going to give us a 10 to make that 3 a 13. And we're going to have to take 1 away from that 2 to make it a 13, and the 2 is going to become a 1. So now we can subtract 13 minus 9. So what is 13 minus 9? 4. And we don't have anything to subtract in the tens place. We just have the 1 there, so we're going to bring it on down. And we have 14. So Jennifer needed 14 more stickers to have just as many as Katrina. Okay, yesterday we used the hundreds chart here to help us solve when it comes to carrying over. And what we did was we bundled the ones, the tens, we bundled 10 ones together to move it to the tens. And then we bundled 10 tens to move to the hundreds. Then we figured out how many were left over in each column. So there are 3 ones left in in the ones. There's 0 tens left over in the tens, and there's 1 100s. And we came up with 103. We're going to practice doing the same thing here. So we're going to take the hundreds chart. We're going to draw it out here. And we're going to take the top number and represent it by putting 7 ones in the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3 dots in the tens because there's 3 tens. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're looking at the bottom number. We have how many ones? 5. So let's add 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And how many tens do we have? Looks like we have 8. So let's add 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's see if we can bundle any here. Now we know that the top amount here is 7. So let's count on from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can bundle these guys up and move them over to the tens column here. And how many do we have left? We've got 2. That didn't get bundled up, so we're going to write 2 down there. Now let's go to the tens column here. We know that the top number here is 3, so let's count on from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So all these guys are going to get bundled up, and we're going to send them over to the hundreds place. And it looks like we have 1 and 1 more. Don't forget this guy that we sent over. So we have 2 left in the tens place. Now we have 1 in the hundreds because we bundled those up and sent them on over. So we have our answer as 122. I want you to try this one on your own. So set up your hundreds chart here, just like this, to help you solve by carrying over. Go ahead and push play, pause, and then push play when you're done solving. All right, friends, let's take a look and compare our answers here. The top number here is 28. So how many ones do we need to put? We need to put 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In the tens place, we had 2. So we're going to put 2. 1. Oops, that's kind of a squiggly line. 1 and 2. Now, the bottom number down here is 97. So how many more ones do we need to add down here? We need to put 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then we have how many tens here? We have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now let's look and see if we can bundle any of these guys up. Let's see, we started at 8 up here, so let's start on 8 and count on. 8, 9, 10. So we can bundle these up, and we're going to send them on over here to the tens column. And we have, let's count how many more we have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's put the 5 there. Now let's see if we have any tens that we can bundle up and send to the hundreds. So we've got 2 up here, so let's count on from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll bundle those up and send them on over to the hundreds. Now we have, let's see, we have this one left over, and remember we bundled these up and sent one over to the hundreds, so we have 1, 2 left in the tens. Now we have a 1 in the hundreds there. So our answer is 125. Very good. Okay, here's where it's going to get a little trickier. Now we're adding a hundreds place here. So we're going to have to put 1 in the hundreds. We have 3 in the tens. 1, 2, 3. And we have how many in the ones? 9. So let's put 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to represent the bottom number. So we already did the top one. So, and we remembered to put that 100 in there. Now we need to do the bottom number. It looks like it's only the tens and the ones column. So how many ones do we have? We have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many tens? Looks like we have 4. Let's put 4 in here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, let's see if we have any bundles that we can move over. We started at 9 here because we have 9 ones at the top. Let's count on from 9. So there's 9 and 10. There's our first bundle, and we're going to send that over here to the tens place. Let's count and see how many we have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 left over in the ones. Now let's see if there's any tens that we can bundle. We started with 3 here. So let's count on from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't forget this guy down here as 8. We don't have anything to bundle here because we only have 8. So we don't need to send any over to the ones, or to the tens, sorry. Not the ones or the tens, the hundreds. The hundreds place. We have 1 in the hundreds place. So our number is 187. All right, go ahead and try this one on your own. We've got the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place. We've got the 3-digit number up here at the top, and then the 2-digit number down here at the bottom. So go ahead and set that up and get your answer. When you're done, push play. So push pause and then push play when you're done. Okay, looking at the top number, how many ones do we have? We have 2, so let's do 2. 1, 2. And how many tens do we have in that top number? We have 4, so let's put 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And remember, we have a hundreds place now, so let's put that 1 in the 100s. Okay, let's look at the bottom number. How many ones do we have in the bottom number? Right, we have 9, so let's write 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. How many tens do we have? We have 9 tens. Let's write 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's see if we can bundle any here. We have 2 at the top, so let's count on from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's bundle these guys up, and we're going to send them on over. And we have 1 left. At the top here, we have 4. So let's count on from 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, let's bundle these guys up here and send it to the hundreds. How many do we have left over? Looks like 1, 2, 3, and 4. And over in the hundreds place, we have 1 and 2. So our answer is 241. It is now your turn to get on to Seesaw and do your exit ticket.